What words does that even mean? Isekai Truck-Kun? What does Truck-Kun?
This isn't going to be a compilation of fucked up moments in anime. We're actually going to go off one particular clip that I showed you last time in unexpected anime scenes. Trucks, or rather, Truck-Kun.
So it's unexpected moments in anime truck edition.
Do you remember the clip I'm talking about?
You're just gonna make me watch a bunch of people get hit by cars? Is that what this is?
I feel like we gotta get the background behind this, because when you just say we're gonna show you a bunch of niggas get hit by cars, it does sound ludicrous and insane of us.
So, to put into context why we're showing you a compilation of truck deaths, truck-related deaths, there's this known trope in anime called Truck-Kun. There is like improportional amount of deaths related to trucks in anime that has become a meme that if you see a truck, someone's going to die. Or they unexpectedly die by truck.
Yeah, someone getting run over, and it's like it's a common thing. It keeps happening.
Which is hilarious, because when you go to Japan, they have like K-trucks most of the time. And they're tiny as hell.
Yeah, those trucks are as big as me. Bro, how do you die by this truck? There's no way this thing's killing me.
First of all, this is not a truck. This is a tiny vehicle.
Like most of these reaction videos, I've come with keywords for you, Danny. And I've saved one final clip, because I feel like it is a spin-off of Truck-Kun, but it's worthy of being on this.
What the fuck does that say, Adrian?
I'm not going to reveal what it is. Alright, so the keywords for today are charm, pendant, bike race, trust fall, doppel, parents, and time traveler. Let me know what keyword you want to pick first.
Bike race.
No. This isn't even Ikasai. All right.
Oh, it's not going to be isekai. Don't worry. Truck-Kun is not limited to
This
isekai.
is just truck death for real.
If you tell me to stop, I won't. My car's coming. Oh,
How
I
old
know
do you
if that
think these
happens.
kids are?
That's a question I hate being asked.
I'm sorry, but that is... The timing of that is...
Oh, at least we didn't see impact.
I have a few things to say.
Okay.
One, why y'all biking onto one side? This is clearly a one-way. And you're going the wrong one, so I don't understand what you're doing.
They're going the wrong one, and not even like to the side, so the cars can know.
Number two.
This is dumb, to be honest.
Number two.
Kind of deserve to die.
They're all getting hit. I feel like no one's pointing that out. That truck is running through that girl like she's a little mosquito on the windshield. It is going through her, eviscerating her into a fine mist. It will easily get to the other girls. No problem.
Goodbye. They deserve that death. We're smoking on their packs, bro. Higurashi Kai.
We're smoking on their packs.
Let's go. They deserve to die.
Not fentanyl, though.
Also, I need to address something you said earlier, Kurt. This is not limited to just isekai Truck-Kun moments, which I know isekai and Truck-Kun.
What does that? What words does that even mean?
Another video.
Isekai Truck-Kun.
Save it. We're gonna milk that for another video, Danny. Don't even worry.
What?
Don't worry.
That sounds like a string of words that doesn't even exist.
All you need to know is transported to a different world. That's all. That's like literally what it means. But
Yeah, and I guess in
explain
this
it
one,
deeper.
it's either a different world or
I feel like we talked about isekais before.
We have. You just don't listen. All right, where we putting the?
Touch me harder. Touch me harder. I mean, considering it's the first one, I didn't see any impact. Like, I want to kind of give it an A of me not
You want to
seeing
give it
any.
an A?
Because like I didn't like get sad. I kind of was just like, man, you know what? They deserve to die. So it kind of made me happy. I didn't see anybody get hurt.
That's why I'm saying C, because I'm like, first off, it felt like a nothing clip, and maybe it's because I've been exposed to many anime vehicular manslaughter, but we can adjust it as we go. But for now, that felt like a.
Hey, I'm gonna be real. It's a C. I'm just happy nothing bad happened, so I like my pick.
Yeah?
C.
Oh, okay. I might actually make an executive decision here. I feel like we should just go straight into the bad stuff.
Oh God! All right.
Dang,
Yeah,
bro.
just-
So wait, hold up. I just want you to know that means that my intuition is magnetizing good energy, and he's trying to sabotage that by showing me bad things. How about Adrian? You pick the bad thing. You pick the bad one right now. You pick the next one.
Let's go for doppel.
今朝、眉そっくりの女の子を見たの。年も同じくらいで、もう一人の眉がいるみたいで。
This girl dead. What are you doing?
Oh!
All right. Can you? This is a crazy thing from. Oh my God! It streaked across. like I cleaned up a spell, bro.
So the reason why she died in this world,
She got hit by a truck, obviously. Adrian.
According to this world, there are like 3 versions of you. They all look the same, and if you happen to see another one of them, you're both dead, and the last one stays living and has like something about like all your energy or some shit like that. So she saw another girl that looked like her, so she was destined to die by that point.
Can you rewind it to the beginning? I'm still trying to. How did she end up in traffic? Oh,
Yeah, it
so
says
hit
go.
walk.
See, that's why I don't even like this death, because she didn't do anything wrong.
Dude, this is actually insane. The smear is crazy.
You ever swat a bug and then like that?
I've never swatted a bug that bad though.
Bro,
No, I have.
The skin.
Oh,
skid
you mean
mark?
like
Because you want to
on the
make sure it's
wall.
dead.
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
go like, ugh, it's the same shit.
We don't like babies dying.
You said you want to fuck that one. There it is.
This is just an innocent girl that saw herself, saw somebody that looked like her, and now she died. In isekais, they be dying, like for real, or do they like not die?
All right, let's look at her. Let's look at the fucking blood.
Wait, this
smear
is
on
an
the
isekai?
concrete, nigga.
No, this is not an isekai.
You tell me.
See,
if
I
she's
can't even
dead.
ask a question no
Let's see if
more
we
without
can
Kurt
fucking
attacking me,
deduce.
bruh.
We can see if we can fucking
F.
deduce. I'm gonna do it off how impactful it is, and to me, this is an.
Are there parts of her? That's
Yes, there
weird.
were. That's what it was. Yeah,
Yo.
that's what we were talking about. It's
His
not really the
ass
blood
said,
smear.
"So is she dead?"
Did she survive that? Did she survive that?
Okay, so when you're watching anime and you tell yourself, this has helped me learn Japanese, and it is, a few words, sugoi, other ones that come to mind. Well, as a person who's gone to Japan, let me tell you, it's not enough. You don't gotta be great, but that's not enough to get you by. But if you're like me, you probably don't have time to dive into like a language learning textbook. Well, if you are like me and you watch anime, that problem solved. With this video's sponsor, LingoPie. LingoPie is a language learning platform that lets you learn by watching real TV shows, movies, music, audiobooks, podcasts, and of course, anime. It's basically the Netflix of language learning. You can watch native content, click on subtitles for instant translations, save words for later, and turn everything into a personalized lesson without it feeling like school.
Yeah, you ever watch something and you're like, oh, that word's weird. Can I see what it means? You could actually click on those words in the subtitles.
You know how many times I've needed to do that? And I know we all weebs here, but it isn't just Japanese you can learn. It's pretty much anything. Spanish, French, German.
There are 13 different languages you can learn.
And 3,000 plus shows and movies that you can learn them from.
And what's cool is it includes, those little lessons at the end of anime with the little chibi characters. They have those as a series on the platform, so you could watch anime and learn.
There's literally no reason not to get it. If you want to watch anime and you want to learn Japanese or any other language with any other show, watching it with LingoPie really is the only way to go about it.
And for someone who has learned Japanese in the past, one of my biggest problems was actual sentence structure. So being able to watch anime, see the subtitles, click on it, and see how they're structured really helps me and kind of reinforces my learning compared to when I learned it like 10 years ago. So even if you know Japanese or any other language, this can help you even more by giving you these nuanced ways of looking at the subtitles. It's really cool. You could also really learn about the culture of Japan. There's series that talk about matcha, Japanese mythology. They even got, like I said, anime series like Apothecary Diary, Free Ren.
LingoPie even has an extension that lets it work along with Netflix and Disney Plus. And I know a lot of y'all got those. So if you want to get your language learning up in the laziest and best way, check out LingoPie TV at our link down below. Once again, check out LingoPie TV at our link down below.
Thanks, LingoPie. Gonna keep watching later. There's a few more left.
Parents.
Yeah, what is your prediction? Is it the parents or the kid?
The parents kill the kids.
Yeah, ooh, that's it.
Or
The
do they
parents are gonna
both
kill the
survive?
kids.
No one's surviving, bro. You're not. You made an executive decision to
you-
kill
you-
someone.
Yeah,
They're dead now. You ready? You ready?
I know this gonna be fucked because the aspect ratio.
I think it's a film.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Adrian!
You called me the fucked up one. You laughed at that parent. Those parents dying. Look, she's twitching.
Oh shit. Oh, this is heavy rain inverse. This is inverse heavy rain. Nikki throw up the Jason, and then he gets hit by the car.
Let me tell you why it made me laugh. Because I for real thought the girl was going to die. I thought the girl was going to die, right? I thought the girl was going to die. They died. It was made me laugh because I wasn't unexpected. Can we rewatch that clip?
What the fuck is going on?
I
Are they
mean,
like
like-
the American truck drivers where they not get no fucking sleep.
How could they possibly die when in Japan they like patiently wait for you?
Yeah, they do.
Something with the truck drivers has to be wrong, you know? Honestly, the context makes it sadder because the girl ran away from her parents because they're like overworking and not paying attention to her. They go looking for her, and then this happens.
I give him an A, though.
I mean,
All
it was
vibes.
it was fucked up, but then it got really fucked when I saw the twitching. That was too much.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
the twitching made me like
that
get
was
out of
too much.
laughter.
It's the
But if
little
you played
things.
that right
Yeah.
again and I saw them get hit, I promise you I laugh again. I'm not going to lie. I'm sorry.
Jason.
So we're down to the last 4.
Trust fall.
This is the other Higurashi, isn't it?
This
Wait,
is
is it
the
different Higurashi?
quote-unquote remake
Yeah.
/ sequel.
Wait, Higurashi. There's 2?
Long story. Oh, she gonna get hit.
I low-key
選
like
ぶ
the
のはど
Bob,
ちら
though.
かって私言いましたよ。
Whoa.
さ
Whoa!
すがは強情っぱりの理科。簡単にはいきませんわね。
Oh, man, that's not how.
Oh.
All right, I've got some questions.
Me too.
I have a few questions. One, was she trying to kill herself?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Someone needs to call Logic 1-800.
What was the decision she gave him?
It
Can we
was
get
either her
context?
or I think her school friends. I can't quite remember. The whole plot is convoluted, Kurt.
Why did she do? Was she trying to send a message? What happened?
She was trying to send a message.
Who was saying you can't make a decision?
Blonde girl. Blonde girl was talking to the blue girl. Yeah.
So she's
She's like, this is how you make an executive decision. I'm gonna kill
Kill
myself.
myself. I'm so confused.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the context.
Why
because
she
you will-
snap? I thought she had powers. I
You'll
thought she
get
snapped
even
to save
more
herself.
confused. You'll get even more confused.
This one's just egregious.
Yeah,
Like,
bruh.
bro, the blood. I would have been okay. We were talking C, maybe to B, until the blood splattered on her like she was at the fucking SeaWorld Flash Zone. That was egregious.
C for confused.
It's a D for me.
D?
It's a
D?
D.
Oh man, I thought
I'll
you
give
made
it
it
a
a.
D.
Oh, you're bringing it down. Okay.
I'm in a D.
All right. Last 2 that you can pick before we go to our final clip: Pendant or Time Traveler.
Pendant. What the heck is this freaking anime? Magical Princess Minky Momo?
Don't worry.
This is gonna be quick, isn't it? It'll be fast.
My Pendant!
Okay, all right, we get
Yo,
it.
why they do such a right turn like that? That left turn was crazy.
Hey! Oh no!
Hey!
Hey! Oh no!
Yo, please replay that. My Pendant! My Pendant! Hey!
Talk about the grieving for the pendant for an extended period of time.
I hated that.
Why was there another kid in the street that caused him to swerve into it?
I don't know, man.
Run it back.
Ah! No, please.
My pendant!
Rosie,
My pendant! My pendant!
I just want you to like look at something for 5 whole seconds. What was the other kid doing in the fucking street?
See, the pendant. The pendant
Yeah,
caused the
see?
unfortunate death.
So the story behind this is actually so funny. This anime series was funded by a toy company, and I think the toy company pulled funding from the anime, so the studio, in retaliation, killed the main character.
That's fucking. Oh no!
Oh no!
I mean,
My funding! You can't do this to me.
You know how much I sacrificed!
God.
I like that. Platform that it was so funny that it's going to stay in my brain. So I want to
Yeah,
give it
no
a B.
cap. Hey! I'm just gonna be randomly saying,
Hey!
my pendant!
No!
Down to the last one that you can pick. Time Traveler.
お前俺がタイムリーパーだと思ってるのか
I'm a leaper.
違う
Actually,
の
no, I haven't seen this clip.
俺は
Oh no! Darwinism!
Kisaki
Nigga.
Huh?
どうなってんだこれ
What do you mean what's going on? Nigga, you were standing in the middle of the street! That's what's fucking going on!
He survived that?
Oh no, he's dead. He's dead for sure.
Bro, you're an idiot.
I don't know who is the idiot actually, because the truck driver had like
The truck
a good
driver,
amount of
alright,
time.
I
First of
get
all-
it, but it's snowing.
He's wearing red.
Zero survival instinct from him, bro. Don't even see he don't hear it. He don't see the lights. Oh no!
Oh no!
I will give this one some credit. It was interesting seeing the reaction post getting hit because we never got to see that.
I think he's just in shock, you know, because he's like he survived that, so he probably didn't even know it was a truck. I can't remember if he could travel back and forth, Kurt.
He went back and forth a few times.
Yeah, there are moments where he doesn't know what's about to happen. So I think these are just one of these moments. This is literally after a fight.
Oh, so
I
he got hit by a
haven't-
car. So this is a
I
good
haven't
thing.
watched.
Bro,
Hey!
fucking Deus Ex Machina, fucking terrible writing. You're like,
Yes,
bro, how do we
hey,
get rid
bro,
of
we
this
give
guy?
us an A+. We beat the enemy with a truck. Hey. Charm. Oh, I like the art
I don't
style.
even know what this is. It looks decent.
Don't worry, I'll tell you all about this one.
Okay. I know it's about to happen. Why is she so bow-legged? Ew.
Bitch. Bitch, are you serious?
What happened?
Bro, once again,
おすみません遅くなりました
遅刻じゃないよ。
Don't worry, there's a little bit more.
やっぱ早く来ちまうんだよなあとは秋月だけだね
damn. I don't mean to laugh. Oh, is she alive?
Oh. First of all, I'm going to be honest. I don't care if she died because she's stupid.
No, you better go pick that shit up now, bitch. You did all that? For the first one, I was like, it's either the Dar or the Aw. This one's both.
The Dar or the R?
Whether it be Darwin or Aw, it's one of the isms, bro. Regardless, get them the fuck out. They're out of here.
Just realize what he's saying.
This one's both by a long shot. Having been to Japan Very unrealistic to get hit by a car. Bro waited patiently for me to realize they were there, like a teacher waiting for the class to be quiet. Like I was in the middle of the street and I was like, oh shit, they're too nice to hit you. They're going to be paying attention.
So this is an adaptation of the manga Fuka. And Fuka was created by Cafe Terrace and its Goddesses. It's the same mangaka who created that. And in the manga for this, she actually dies. But it changed the trajectory of the popularity of the manga because this character is the daughter of 2 characters he created like 8 years prior. So people loved this character and were ready to see what this character was gonna do. And he fucking killed her.
Bro.
And replaced her with a lookalike named Fuka. And people were pissed. Me being one of them, because I remember I was in college, I was just like, what the hell happened?
I feel like that was not the right call, but I guess they clearly knew what they were doing in the remake.
Yeah. Oh,
Jump scaring the audience like that and be like, oh, here we go.
my dogs are barking in the background, but do you hear them? Damn it. I'll show you how devastating the truck looks in the manga.
Oh my, what the fuck is that? That's a Greyhound.
Yo, that's a coach bus, bruh.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Yeah, you could definitely say it was probably not open casket.
So then the anime just has like a completely different story after after it just.
It's definitely one of those moments where it's just like, oh, the anime original ending is probably what people prefer. Anyway, what's your rating?
B plus.
Why?
I don't feel nothing. I wanted her to die. Like, to be honest with you, she didn't die. Like, I didn't even get to see impact. It's magnetizing good energy, and he's trying to sabotage that. All right, let's see the special last one. Yay!
So I mentioned that the last one is the spin-off, and the spin-off is Traincoon.
With the spin-off is Traincoon. What does that mean?
Yeah, outside of trucks, vehicular manslaughter is always a thing. So outside of trucks and cars, there are also trains, and this is quite possibly like one of the more recently iconic clips.
Oh my god. Oh no. Crazy cut at the end. I need context.
So-
Holy fucking shit.
It's our first isekai on the list.
Oh.
First and last one.
That was an isekai? Okay.
So they both get transported to another world. So in the end, he
Okay,
can
alright,
protect her, but they just had to go through this shit to get
Okay,
transported
that
to
makes
another
me.
world.
That actually makes this a lot better because now I'm like.
So, like, when you say transported to another world, right? It's like you're telling me that they're in heaven, and is it like a way where they're like, it's like a coping mechanism
what are the
for
rules
their
of
death.
heaven? You're the best image of yourself. I can't remember.
something like that. Yeah.
If we get to the video in the future, we'll explain it further. And it gives them hope that when they die, they get to be in another world.
It's kind of fucking sad because they're like, what it really is they're like, bro, this world sucks, but imagine if you died and you could be cooler. You could be way cooler. You're fucked here though. There's no way to improve here.
I'm not gonna assume the origins of isekai and reincarnating in another world, but the country is like very Buddhist, so could have stemmed from that.
Yeah, I see. Wait, they get reincarnated to become boobs?
I'm sure that exists somewhere.
I'm pretty sure that could be an anime in the future.
No, I'm asking. He says they reincarnated to titty anime. What does that mean?
They get boobs. They just get surrounded by booby characters that amount to nothing.
I hope this was an educating experience, Danny.
I don't feel like I got educated. I just got some people get hit by cars.
That's That's about right.
There are way more truck moments. I had to take a few out because no one died, and I kind of wanted to keep this one.
Adrian, you're a freak.
No.
Sick fuck, Adrian.
Hey, if Truck-Kun is considered one of the most homicidal entities in Japanese anime, we have to keep it like that.
You could have reformed his image, Adrian. Look at you.
All right. Well, comment down below what other truck moments you want to see, because there are a lot. There's actually like a whole compilation out there. I didn't want to just use those clips.
We'll watch the next one in a truck with Danny.
third impact in a truck.
Yeah. On the road.
And then one of us is driving. Hey!
Hey! Yeah.
Oh no! All right, this
right.
go flop.
This go
Ain't
flop.
no way. See you on the street.
Ain't
Okay.
no way.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey! I could also do Darwin from the Wild
I've
Thornberries, but
practiced,
I'm not
it's
going to do that
hilarious.
right now because that's a little bit.
Nikki, cut it!